door. It is not raining, so I'm gonna go for it. I am walking to Camino. I was there yesterday actually. And that's where I'm gonna go catch the boat. Let's see. Yesterday I hit the rain a lot. So I guess you could say the lessons were I can do hard things, even if it's not comfortable, but I want to do the easier things. So here's my slight dilemma. I'm walking like into the black clouds, and there's like nowhere to take cover once I pass right here. Well, even right here there isn't. So it just started to rain and I don't have the umbrella or the rain jacket. So we're just trying to think, what am I going to do? I can go back, but it is starting to look dark over there too. So, yeah. Oh shit, it's like seriously raining. Okay, here we go again. Going to be wet. I can jump in a car. That's a solution. Or just keep walking and hoping that it stops raining. But it's like really raining. Well, I'm now officially wet, but I found a little bus stop. So I'm just gonna sit here and dry off a bit. I just checked Uber and it says the closest Uber is 20 minutes away. I'm grateful for my hard-boiled eggs. I have my little snack pack here. So while I wait for the rain to pass, I'm having my breakfast. So I'm gonna try this again. I'm on the highway. I'm gonna cross over to Spain today.